Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I tucked away my blonde hair under these pre-twisted passion twists. The vendor is an Amazon vendor named Vemet. I got it in 14" and they sell these 8 packs. Inside of each pack is 12 strands. I used an apple cider vinegar rinse to make sure that they were clean and they wouldn't be itchy on my scalp. And then I applied some conditioner, and that takes away the kind of processed smell that you get when you purchase from some of these vendors. I let the hair air dry overnight and I just hung them on some hangers. After my hair was shampooed, deep conditioned, and my scalp was oiled, I did cornrows on my hair at the front. I used the method where you just do individual braids and connect them to make it look like they are individual passion twists. I used the crochet hook to pull up my hang time, and then I started to install the crochet braids. I made sure that I used the crochet hook in a downward motion. I pulled the twist through and then I tied the knot. I did leave spaces throughout. I really feel like I needed more hair. I think these twists are on the thinner side, so if you have thinner hair, then this is perfect for you. As I turn around, you'll see that I was not able to complete it because I just didn't have enough hair. But that's the beauty of basically being on Zoom all the time. No one will ever know. Let me know what you think down below, and remember, this hair is from Vemet store on Amazon. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope it helps some of you out. Bye.